How your liver decides which medicine to break down first. The liver is an incredible organ, but have you ever wondered why it deals with some medicines over others? Let's unravel this mystery together. The liver's primary job is to break down substances, eliminating toxins and turning them into something the body can use or discard. When you take medication, your liver steps up to metabolize these drugs to ensure they work as intended. But with multiple medications at play, how does it decide the processing order? First off, it's important to understand that medications are broken down by enzymes, primarily the CYP450 family. These enzymes are like specialized workers, each trained to handle specific compounds. Prioritization kicks in due to how these enzymes recognize and bind to different drugs. Some medications have a higher affinity for certain enzymes, grabbing their attention first, akin to VIP guests at an event. Drugs like these usually inhibit or engage these enzymes more effectively, getting metabolized sooner. This characteristic depends on the drug's structure, concentration, and presence of other substances. Moreover, there's a concept known as the drug interaction. When multiple drugs compete for the same enzymes, the liver has to navigate this competition carefully. In such cases, the drug with a higher concentration or greater enzyme affinity often gets metabolized first. Additionally, factors like genetic differences, age, diet, and liver health can influence metabolization rates. Some people have variations in their CYP450 enzymes, making them metabolize drugs faster or slower. It's also key to consider whether a drug acts as an enzyme inducer or inhibitor. Inducers ramp up enzyme activity, while inhibitors slow it down, which affects the breakdown priority. If a medication is an inducer, it might push the liver to work on other drugs faster. Conversely, an inhibitor might make other compounds wait longer to be metabolized. Lastly, medical professionals often account for these elements when prescribing medication, aiming to minimize any adverse interactions and ensure effective treatment. And there you have it. The next time you take medication, remember the intricate and clever processes your liver employs to keep things running smoothly. If you found this insight into the liver fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more intriguing health topics. Thanks for watching.